Today we are going to discuss this, how to draw sample of size 3 with replacement from some population. Here's the question: draw all possible samples of size 3 with replacement from 4, 5 and 6. This is your population, and then this is your size of the sample, that is n, or procedure is with replacement. Three things: capital N is the size of the population. There are three elements in the population, so capital N is 3. Small n is the size of sample, that is also 3 mentioned in the question. Again, then procedure is with replacement. Now, to find the samples, or to draw the samples of size 3 with replacement, first of all we have to find the number of total possible samples. Total possible samples can be drawn by the formula, can be found by the formula capital N raised to power small n. Capital N is 3, small n is 3. You will have in this case 27 samples. Again, in the question you have to notice what is the population size, what is the sample size, and what is the procedure, and then you have to find the total possible sample number by the formula capital N raised to power small n. Now we have to draw 27 samples. Always remember that while you are making samples of size 3, first of all you have to make samples of size 2 in your rough work, like this. पहले हमने size 2 के बना लेने हैं. 4 is with 4, then 4 with 5, 4 with 6, then take 5 with 4, 5 with 5, 5 with 6, and finally then 6 with 4, 6 with 5 and 6 with 6. First of all, in case of sampling with replacement of size 3, what I have done, I have made sample of size 2 in rough work. After making sample of size 2, what we have to do, we have to assign these samples to all the elements of the population, then we will get our required number of samples of size 3. जैसे पहला एलिमेंट, पहला sample है 4 4, we will select this sample 4 4, and then we assign 4 4 with the first element of the population 4. First sample will be 4 4 and 4, and then again 4 4 with 5, then 4 4 with 6. पहले हमने एक एलिमेंट एक सैम्पल सेलेक्ट किया, एंड देन वी असाइंड इट टू ऑल द सैम्पल्स 4 ऑल द पॉपुलेशन मेंबर्स. पहले से 4 के साथ किया 4 4 को, फिर 5 के साथ, एंड देन 6. इन द सेम वे देन वी विल सेलेक्ट 4 5. 4 5 कैन कम विद अगेन 4 5 को हम सबके साथ असाइन करेंगे. 4 5 विद 4, 4 5 इज असाइंड विद 5, and 4 5 is assigned with to 6. तो इस तरह हमारे पास ये फर्स्ट एंड 2 सैम्पल्स की एंट्रीज कंप्लीट हो जाएंगी. देन वी विल सेलेक्ट 4 6, 4 6 with 4, 4 6 with 5, and then 4 6 with 6. In the same way we will select 5 4, and then 5 4 with 4, 5 4 with 5, and 5 4 with 6. Then 5 5 लिया, 5 5 with 4, 5 5 with 5, and 5 5 with 6. In the same way 5 6, 5 6 with 4, 5 6 with 5, and 5 6 with 6. देन अब 6 के सैम्पल्स की बारी आ गई. 6 4 सेलेक्ट किया, 6 4 will be assigned with 6 4 with 4, 6 4 with 5, and 6 4 with 6. Then you will take 6 5, 6 5 को भी इसी तरह असाइन करेंगे, 6 5 with 4, 6 5 with 5, and 6 5 with 6. Then take 6 6, 6 6 with 4, 6 6 with 5, and then 6 6 6. This will be your last sample. So while you are making your samples of size 3, what you have to do, you have to make sample of size 2 in your rough work, and then select each and every sample and assign it to the population units. You will get the samples of size 3.